was a case 8 years in the making and a verdict deliberated for 3.5 hours. But a man's been convicted in the murder of Kayleen Rodell. Olivia Bosser has been following the case. She talked to the defendant and his lawyer following that verdict.
Christopher Rao says that a majority of what he calls key evidence couldn't be used in the case and that it would have caused the jury to reach a verdict of not guilty. Rao was accused of killing his ex-girlfriend Kayleen Rodell in August of 2016, a crime the jury found Rao guilty of, convicting him of murder in the first degree after a long trial, despite the defense's stance that the science doesn't support the prosecution's description of the murder.
There's a lot of issues that can be raised on appeal, and we look forward to those issues being raised for Mr. Rao and see where things go from there.
Rao could be referring to the DNA evidence that was inadmissible due to errors made in the labeling of samples by a forensic scientist with the Pennsylvania State Police. While the defense were the ones to make the motion to have the evidence omitted from the trial, they did it out of concern that the evidence should not be considered by the jury if any part of it was wrong. The Attorney General's office conceded to the motion, also expressing concerns about if the lab results could be trusted.
In this particular case, being that it was a homicide going to trial, the Attorney General's office chose to have them re-examined, provide us with that information, and then conceded today in court that there were errors that would question the reliability of her results.
With DNA out of the question, this case came down to circumstantial evidence. According to the prosecution, Rao killed Rodell in their Blairsville home before driving to the Honan Avenue hiking trail in Johnstown, where he dumped her body. But even faced with a guilty verdict, Rao insists another individual is really the murderer. That individual, the only witness to the murder.
There will be an appeal filed, and I'm sure that this time a little bit more of an explanation will be explained.
The verdict of guilty on all charges, first-degree murder, aggravated assault, and false reports to police, came in after a deliberation of about 3.5 hours. But Rodell's family says they would have waited however long it took.
I want justice. And if it takes days, then it takes days, as long as they are ready and just do the right thing.
Now they hope to close this chapter of their story and focus on healing from what they describe as the nightmare they've lived for the past 8 years, especially Rodell's daughter.
Eden's a good kid, and she doesn't deserve to live like this. And she needs, this will be her first step of healing. And she just needs the support. She's just a 12-year-old little girl that doesn't have a mommy anymore due to somebody's choice.
Rao now faces life in prison with no chance of parole. In Ebensburg, Olivia Bosser, WTAJ News.